I am Lorraine from AFA. We are the regional focal point for the Land Matrix initiative in Asia. Land Matrix in general is a global independent monitoring initiative with an overall goal of helping decision-making over land investment be transparent, equitable, and more fair to indigenous people. So for the past 2 days, we are undergoing data training with API as part of our partnership with them in Indonesia. So as part of our decentralization program to better focus on the problems of each country and to know what they need for as an evidence-based advocacy tool, we partnered with them. So the training is to help them manage within the database and have a short introduction on data analysis.